we're at the top of the bus now. It's obviously pretty dark up here, so I'll do my best. But yeah, you can kind of see where the supports come up there, just over the rooftop of the bus, and then the railings connect to that. So if we could duplicate what they did as far as distance in between, which is not consistent all the way down as far as how much distance there is between support beams. It's usually right around 28 inches, but there's some wider, some a little less. So, but it'd be nice to use this railing again, so we don't have to buy all that metal. And we just have to buy the support, the 40-inch supports all the way down, and the angle iron. But from the top of the bus, our current height from the decking to the top of the rail is 36 inches. Looking at amount of supports that this bus has: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We'd probably want at least that. We'd probably go one more set, just because our bus is a little longer. So say 14 or 15.